Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Buffer AI Assistant in 2026. If you want help writing social media captions, improving your posts, or generating fresh content ideas, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've connected at least one social media account so you can create and schedule posts. Next, click the Create Post button to open the post editor. This is where you'll write your caption, upload media, and prepare your content for publishing. Now look for the AI Assistant option inside the post editor. Depending on your Buffer plan and available features, you may see an AI button or writing assistant icon. Click on it to open the AI tools. Next, enter a short prompt describing the type of post you want to create. For example, you can ask the AI to write a promotional post, create an educational caption, generate hashtags, or rewrite your existing text in a more engaging style. Now wait a few seconds while Buffer AI generates suggestions. Read through the results carefully and choose the version that best matches your brand and audience. Next, edit the AI-generated content if needed. Add your own tone, include important details, or adjust the wording to make the post more personal and accurate. Now upload an image or video if your post needs media, then preview everything to make sure it looks the way you want. Finally, click Schedule Post or Add to Queue, choose your preferred publishing time, and let Buffer automatically publish your content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Buffer AI Assistant step by step. You can now create engaging social media content faster, improve your writing, and save valuable time while managing your accounts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.